How's it going, everybody? This is Jeremy Pearson at Van Dam Custom Boats in beautiful Boyne City, Michigan. Winter is here, holiday magic is in the air. You may be wondering, what in the world is this guy in? This is our new mock-up for our next build, 5-star. We've been putting out some renderings on our social media pages. We're gonna be starting this build this year. And it's going to be really, really special. We'll get back to this later. We want to go around the shop though, as holiday season is kicked off. We're going to ask some of the guys some questions and get some holiday answers from each of our guys. So here we go. Derek!
Fantastic.
Thank you very much.
I'm not the first victim.
Yeah, you are. You're first. Derek over at Van Dam. First of all, Derek, what are you working on real quick?
This is the trash box for Dreamboat.
Awesome. Very cool.
Yep. So, solid wood corners, plywood sides, skinned with fiberglass. It'll stay bright, stay varnished, and that's what the owner's really keyed up on.
Owner is super excited about this. She's mentioned it a ton, so thank you very much for this. A couple of holiday questions.
Sure.
Favorite holiday movie?
Home Alone.
Home Alone.
Both 1 and 2.
1 and 2. Sequel guy.
Yep.
I like it. Okay. Christmas lights. Straight white or multicolored?
Multicolored.
Multicolored.
Yep.
Favorite holiday snack?
I'm a fan of every single kind of holiday cookie there is.
I would believe that.
Yeah.
I would believe it. Derek loves cookies, loves snacks. If you could jump on a jet and go anywhere to spend the holidays, where would you go?
Christmas Island.
Christmas Island.
Yep. Just because it's in a song.
Very festive. Very festive. Awesome. Thank you, Derek.
You're welcome.
Awesome. Ooh. We got a twofer over here. Chuck, come here real quick. Let me borrow it. Don. Chuck and Don, a couple of our guys here. Couple of holiday questions for you.
All right.
Don, favorite Christmas movie?
Christmas Story.
Christmas Story. Chuck?
Christmas movie? Does The Nightmare Before Christmas count?
Yeah, that's Christmas.
There it is.
Yeah, I like that one. Making Christmas. Blah, blah, blah.
Right.
Holiday treat. Favorite holiday treat?
Pecan balls, so yes.
Yeah.
Guess it's gotta be Christmas cookies.
Just straight up sugar.
Straight up sugar cookies.
Yeah, I love it. Who doesn't love that? White lights or multicolored lights?
White lights year round.
Year round.
Multicolored lights.
Keep them up
for
all
Christmas.
year.
Yeah, we got white lights.
Awesome.
Yep.
If you could jump on a jet and go anywhere for the holiday season, where would you go?
Go anywhere.
Anywhere.
The Maldive Islands.
Nice.
About like Scandinavia, Norway.
Yeah.
Sweden.
Yeah. It's the home of Father Christmas,
It
right?
seems Christmas.
Yeah. Love it. Awesome. Thanks, guys. We're gonna get El Davo next. El Davo. Couple questions for you.
Okay.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Good to see you. Couple of holiday questions.
Oh boy.
Favorite holiday movie?
Well, it's got to be Die Hard.
Which is a Christmas movie.
It's a Christmas
Often debatable, but Christmas movie.
Yes.
White lights or multicolor lights? What do you prefer?
Neither.
That's
No
a little.
lights needed.
That's a little grinchy, Dave. That's okay though. I respect your opinion. That's all right. Favorite holiday treat?
Pumpkin pie.
All right. And if you could get on a jet and go anywhere for the holidays, where would you go? Hawaii. Anything else for the people at home?
Merry Christmas.
Awesome, El Davo. Thank you. All right, we'll go upstairs and get Ben. I'm sure he's not doing anything. Ben Van Dam's office. Come on in right here. Ben Van Dam. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays, my friend.
Good morning. Good morning. A couple of holiday questions we're gonna ask you. Favorite holiday movie?
Christmas Vacation, 100%.
That's been, I think, a theme. White lights or multicolored lights?
Ooh, I was multicolored until this year, and we accidentally bought lights that cycle.
Yeah.
And our kids found them.
Yeah.
And now we are very much a less is more family. White lights are much better than cycling through everything.
Yeah. So
white lights.
White lights.
White lights now.
Converted.
Yep.
Perfect.
Black and white.
Go figure. Ben wears black every day.
Every day.
Every day. Very consistent. We love it. Favorite holiday treat?
Favorite holiday treat? The Baileys, the homemade Baileys that Jess in the machine shop made me. That is my new, or made Eric and I, that's my new favorite holiday treat.
This is the first liquid treat that we've had. Yeah. If you could get on a jet and go anywhere for the holidays, where would you go?
I would stay right here for the holidays. There's nowhere I'd rather be.
In beautiful Boyne City, Michigan.
Better
ladies
believe
and
it,
gentlemen.
baby.
Anything else to the people at home?
Happy holidays. Thank you, my friend.
All right, we're gonna get both Chad and Corey. Couple of holiday questions. These guys love being on camera, so this is
Oh yeah.
favorite holiday movie?
I think I'm gonna go with Home Alone.
Home Alone.
Yeah, my kids love it.
The first one?
The first one.
Yeah, got it.
Christmas Vacation.
Yeah, solid theme there. Everyone loves Christmas Vacation. Yeah. If you could jump on a jet and go anywhere for the holiday season, where would you go?
Stay home.
Stay home.
Yep. No place like home for the holidays.
I love it.
Good answer. I would probably stay home as well.
Yeah.
Where else would I go for the holidays? All my family's here.
Yeah, I love it. Awesome stuff. Anything else for the people at home?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Thank you so much. We really appreciate you guys checking it out here. We hope you and your family have a happy holiday season, and we will catch you in 2022. Thanks. Catch you next time.